Dear friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you and also show you how to check if someone is online in Snapchat app. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please friends. Be sure to put your likes and also please write your comments after watching this video. So, let's get started with you. If you would like to find out who is online on Snapchat, then I'm going to show you two methods to do that. So please open up Snapchat on your device. And then at the bottom left, go to the location or maps section. And here you'll be able to see down at the bottom, you can see a list of people who may be online at the moment. And you can also, as you can see, you can zoom in on the map, and so also on the map you can see the people that are active on Snapchat. It goes like this. Then you can swipe, zoom in on the map too, to see who that person is, who are some of your friends. The second option, friends, please open a message. And now you will need to go to chat with some person and message that person, if they would be quick enough to reply you or view your message. It will also mean that such person is currently online in that app. These are the only two methods, friends, how you can check if someone is online on Snapchat. I really hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, write comments, and also, friends, be sure to put your likes. See you soon.